Are you feeling concerned about how your students are going to respond to all of the different changes that are inevitable at the end of the school year? Whether it be assemblies, community outings, visitors in your classroom, or many other changes, positivity is here to help you prepare your students for the changes as they come along. Let's take a look at how easy it is to use positivity to support your students in the moments they need it most. Say that there's a field trip today and you have a student that becomes very anxious when he has to ride a different bus. Maybe he usually rides bus number 10 and today you guys are going to be on bus number 15. You can quickly create a visual and positivity for that student in order to help prepare him for this change. Remember that positivity has over 100 different pre-made strategies and strategy templates that you can use to support your students in a wide variety of situations. All pre-made strategies can be used as is, or you can further customize them as needed based on your classroom and individual student needs. For this student, I'm going to add a real image of a bus with a number 15 on it in order to represent the change in the bus that he will be riding on for their field trip to the museum. I'm also going to add additional symbols and text to represent these changes and let him know that it's going to be okay. Once the strategy you have just created has been saved, you can then choose when you want the visual to be delivered during the specific event. The visual we just created will display at the beginning of the field trip, helping to further reduce the student's anxiety and prepare him for what's next in his day. Remember that once you save a strategy in your library, it can be accessed at any time. That's how quick and easy it is to set up and to deliver positivity strategies to help support your students in those moments they need it most. Make sure you log into Positivity and check out all the available pre-made strategies and strategy templates that are available right now at your fingertips.